Card and our alcohol inks today. I've got a number of different colours. I've got the rose gold, and I've got gunmetal and what's that one? Name's rubbed off. I think it's just a silver. I think these come in a set as well. So, and then I'm going to pick another couple of colours, but I'll tell you as I go along. So this is just a really nice quick way of getting a result. And let's just pop a bit of green in there as well. And let's just see how these all work together. So I'm just going to put plenty of the alcohol blending solution over the top of that. Just see how that moves around. Maybe a bit more. It's just so amazing to watch how it moves and spreads and changes. Okay, so I'm going to use my hairdryer now to just dry this off. So you can see that lovely metallic finish that you've got on there. So if I want to add some colour to that, I can. So I'm going to just add a little bit of pink in there. And we'll put plenty of blending solution on. And again, just by adding that pink, it just gives us a whole different background again. But I just think it's a fabulous technique to create some amazing backgrounds. Really sort of mystical, magical. Back with our alcohol inks and Yupo Card. I've taken one that I did earlier and I've just cut that in half to an A6 size. So I'm going to stamp onto that now using our archival ink. So I'm just going to ink up one of our flowers. And then I'm going to pop that down. Give that a good press. And I think I've got another one here somewhere. If not, we can just repeat that again. Oh no, there it is, found it. Okay, let's put the smaller one down by the side there. Like so. Okay, so I'm going to use a worded stamp just to go around the edge now. So let's have a look. This is a nice scroll to go around the edge. Okay, so you saw how quick and easy it was to do the Yupo card with the alcohol inks, and if we just cut that in half, and again how quick and easy it is to stamp onto it. Now I know that I have trouble stamping silhouettes onto Yupo, but that's not saying we've got plenty of three-dimensional stamps that will work perfectly fine with the Yupo. So I just think that makes a really nice card in itself, and it didn't take that long to do at all. Thanks for watching, guys.